Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe headquarters. Today I want to show you the W-4ESBLK. This is the 4-inch swivel brake caster that we can now use to retrofit any of the lift kits we sell here at FlexPipe, whether it's the manual or the motor driven, okay? So if you have typically a workstation that is height adjustable and you want to make it mobile, then why not go ahead and switch out those feet with the 4-inch caster to do so, okay? The way that we're going to install this is basically by engaging the brake in order so that we can go ahead and spin this into place. We're going to hand tighten this till it gets a little tight, and then from there we're going to finish it off with the 11/16 flat wrench to go ahead and 1/4 inch turn tight, okay? So we don't want to over tighten it, okay? If we over tighten it, we're going to see that the actual cylinder of the lift kit is going to begin to spin, which may damage it, so keep an eye out for that. If you want to go ahead and move the caster out of the way once it's in place, go ahead and disengage the brake first in order to freely move the actual caster out of the way to then go ahead and lock it back into place. Not doing so is going to basically mean that if you keep it in the brake engaged, then if you kick this over, you may begin to actually loosen the caster, offsetting the nut, which will again turn into a little bit of an issue later down the road. So we don't want to do that. Again, disengage the brake, move it out of the way, lock it back into place. That's how we're going to go ahead and bypass that issue there. Okay, guys? So this is the 4-inch caster, and I can't wait to see what you guys make with it. So see you guys next time.